Hello everyone, my name is Rajani and welcome to Speak Easy. So here we are to chat about a very Ajeeb Dastan. Fatima, Shashank and Jaideep, who looks extremely busy, but hopefully we'll get back his attention soon.
He is with you.
नहीं यार, आपको पता नहीं, सुबह से लगे हुए ना, तो सारे मैसेजेस, दिन के काम के मैसेज, कोई जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे किसी को, तो सबको बता रहे हैं कि हम विल गेट बैक.
I'm just teasing you. That's okay. It is the effects of stardom. What do? You have to handle all this.
Yes. Happily.
You know, we have come to a phase in this industry and in Indian society where we are looking at homosexuality from a very sensitive point of view. पहले ऐसा नहीं था, and how are you questioning yourself and your biases when you're doing it?
First of all, and in fact, we were just chatting about that, Fatima, Jaideep and me, when we were through the day, that we feel that we are talking enough about it, but actually it's not still making such a big impact world over, or for that matter, even within our country. Because how much ever we speak about it and whatever we feel is the exposure, we are still a country of 140 crores. We are a country of 4.4 billion people. We are very fragmented. We live in different sections of society, in different areas. And not everywhere do you have the freedom to speak openly or even express yourself openly. Having said that, I think I went in with a very clear responsibility in my head of how sensitive I want to be about it and what's my end goal. My end motivation of writing a story of Majnu was not to create any form of sensationalism or create any form of, oh my God, this is going to shock the audience. It was truly about three characters, three wants, and how their wants play out. And at the end of the day, what they kind of achieve or what they feel and experience. So I was only kind of trying to tackle human emotions and trying to show that behind tough exteriors, there can be a vulnerable interior. If you see Bablu Bhaiya's character, he's a tough guy with a vulnerable side. There is Lipakshi's character who's trying to portray herself strong because of everything that she's had. And yet there is a vulnerable side. And yet there's a Rajkumar Mishra who has come with an intent, and yet there is a vulnerable side to him. So I think for me, the idea was never to kind of just talk about one topic. I was trying to just tell the story of three characters and everything that goes along with that. And at the same time, I was very clear that I'm not trying to create any shock value. I am only trying to give a justified end to the three characters. And there is no end. It is a new beginning for them. And that's how I kind of conceived the story of Majnu.
Your character here, besides the fact that she obviously feels trapped and he is, not having the same emotions, she otherwise does not give excuses for the way she's very aware of how sexual and beautiful she is, which I think is sort of something that you haven't done before, and it must be kind of nice to play this dimension, isn't it? Because पहले कभी नहीं किया है आपने.
बिल्कुल, because मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, और as Fatima also कभी emotion को कभी tap in नहीं किया है. It was very interesting and very challenging but fun, and because you're doing something out of your comfort zone, but you want to do it. Like, I really want to do it. I want to be able to experience these emotions and not feel bad about it. So I think Shashank gave me an incredible opportunity there, because he first could see me as Lipakshi. You do get typecasted. You do because all the films, even Lipakshi is a very strong character, but generally मेरे को एक certain तरीके के roles आते थे up until a while back, because of Dangal and Thugs. कि ऐसी टाइप के स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म, सारी स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म आएंगी, सारी एक्शन फिल्म आएंगी. So it's nice when other people see you as something else. So with me that happened, and I think we've had stories or characters, women characters in the past, जिन लोगों ने कभी explanation नहीं दिया है उनके choices के लिए. Far and few रही होगी, but I think because अभी वो medium भी open up हो गया है, जैसे हम अभी बहुत सारी कहानियां हमारे देश में मालूम पड़ती है, एक छोटे गांव में भी अगर कुछ हो रहा है हमें पता चल जाता है, क्योंकि मीडियम खुल गया है। अभी सबके पास फोन है, वो लोग भी डाल सकते हैं। एक लड़का जो शायद मतलब एक छोटे गांव में विलेज में अपना एक डांस वीडियो बनाता है, कल जाके कोई सुपरस्टार उसका पोस्ट कर ले, सडनली ही इज everywhere. His story is now available to the whole country and globally maybe. So I think because now there are more mediums and more places to share a story in one way. Podcast है, OTT है, फिल्में है, मूवी है, मतलब जो अलग अलग टाइप के दूसरे दूसरे देशों से कहानियां बता रहा है। आई थिंक नाउ यू सी मोर स्टोरीज ऑफ वुमेन, बट पहले भी थी, अब भी हो रही है। और अच्छा है कि लोग लिख रहे हैं। जितनी ऐसी फिल्में आएंगी उतना लोग और इन्वेस्ट करेंगे। ओटीटी के साथ ब्यूटीफुल चीज ये है कि बॉक्स ऑफिस का स्ट्रेस नहीं होता। बट अगर आप 1 साल 1.5 साल में ही देख लो, कितनी सारी औरतों की फिल्में आई है
नहीं,
और with good heart and intention. It's true. You generally equate a girl who smokes or a girl who parties or a girl who is very comfortable with her sexuality as a person who's too forward. कि वो बहुत मॉडर्न लड़की है, तो वो ऐसी मॉडर्न लड़कियां ऐसी होती है, एंड अगर वो ऐसी है मतलब बुरी है। तो वो नजरिया होता है। यहाँ पे जिसने लिखी है कहानी, उसका नजरिया ये नहीं था कि वो अच्छी है या बुरी है, और जो वो करती है वो बुरा या अच्छा नहीं। तो आई थिंक वो जो इंसान कहानी बता रहा है उसके नजरिए के ऊपर निर्भर करता है। सो व्हेन वी हैव पीपल हु आर राइटिंग स्टोरीज एंड कैरेक्टर्स ऑन women, the more understanding and sensitive they are about these characters, the more beautifully it will come out. So kudos to Shashank for writing such a beautiful character.
Masculinity on screen often becomes toxic, and they don't want to show that there is a feminine side to this man, or there is a softer side to him, because somehow it is not good enough for a man to be like that. And in a lot of characters ye dikhaya gaya hai. It's very interesting that and of course lehza ki wajah se they will constantly compare you with this tough cop in Patal Lok, and that's what I saw. A lot of online comments said that, but it couldn't have been more different according to me. मुझे ये जानना है, as an actor where you've played characters like that might have this very toxic, might नहीं, they have had toxic masculine sides on screen. जब आप इस तरह का रोल करते हो जो कि एक आपके टफ एक्सटीरियर को लेकर भी ये साइड दिखाता है, वो कितना मजेदार होता है। And they need to show more characters like that, because not all men are so tough, and that is never showed on screen.
No, men are not tough, believe me. They are kind of designed like that. वो बड़े ही ऐसे किए जाते हैं। तो समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ? लड़कियों को लड़कों को वैसे बड़ा नहीं किया, सिंपल तरीके से कि भाई तुम वो अभी कि तुम लड़कियों की तरह रोते क्यों हो। वो जो एक थॉट है ना बच्चों को बड़ा करने का, वो बहुत अजीब रहा है हमारे देश में। और वो दोनों ही लड़कियों और लड़कों दोनों के केस में रहा है कि लड़कों को दिखना टफ है, बातें टफ करनी है, भारी आवाज होनी चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए। नहीं, वो ट्रैप रहा है, हमेशा से रहा है। तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे बैकग्राउंड्स हैं हमारे देश में, बहुत सारी जगह हैं जहाँ ऑफ कोर्स वो चीज कभी बाहर नहीं आती है, वो उस तरह से कभी बात नहीं कर पाते हैं। लड़कियां एक सर्टेन तरीके से बात नहीं कर पाती, ना जीत पाती। सेम गोज फॉर द बॉयज ऑल्सो। सो हाँ, वो मुझे वो बड़ा बोरिंग हो जाता है उसको देखना भी कई बार, क्योंकि स्पेशली मुझे वो किरदार जो मिले बेबी लुक्स की वजह से, हाइट है, वो सब के जितने भी किरदार मिलते रहे वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स रहे हैं। पाताल लोक वाज वन ऑफ देम कि जो एकदम हर तरीके का इमोशन है, वो परेशान भी है, वो डर भी रहा है, वो बहुत बैकफुट में लाइफ में। बट देन अगेन बबलू वाज इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज वो साइड कभी किसी ने उस तरह से एक्सप्लोर नहीं की है, क्योंकि आप दिखने में वो एग्जैक्टली ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की तरह, अगर हम उसकी सेक्सुअलिटी को भी हटा दें तो भी अगर आप सॉफ्ट हो अपनी सोच को लेके, अपनी बातों को लेके, अपनी अप्रोच को लेके लाइफ में, आप प्यार करना जानते हो, एक्सप्रेस करना जानते हो, तो वो खराब कैसे हो सकती है? वो अगर आप रोना जानते हो तो वो खराब कैसे, उससे आपकी मर्दानगी कैसे कम होती है? ये कभी समझ नहीं आती। तो अगेन थैंक्स टू शशांक कि उसने ये सोचा कि मैं वो प्ले कर सकता हूँ, और बड़ा अच्छा लगा उसको समझने में, उसको समझते तो शायद पहले भी थे, अब उसको एक्सप्रेस करने में बड़ा मजा है क्योंकि एक्सप्रेस शायद पहली बार किया है ऑन स्क्रीन. इवेंचुअली इट विल हैपन बिकॉज लोग हर तरीके से बात करना चाहेंगे, हर तरीके के बारे में बात करना चाहेंगे, इवन चाहे फिर वो ऑन स्क्रीन हो या ऑफ स्क्रीन हो, तो इट विल हैपन इवेंचुअली.
Fair enough.
It is when conversations happen. It is when conversations happen in real life, you will see it happen on screen. You can't expect the change to happen first on screen and then to happen in the world.
No.
So it has to happen simultaneously.
Do you feel like talking about this or showing it in a certain way, why do you think it was important for you to do that? A. And B, also you've been doing, you've been choosing very different films as a director as well to do that, right? It's a far cry from what your first film was and stuff. And also what is happening with Mr. Lele? You have to tell me. What is that film?
मैं एक flow में जवाब देता हूँ. So firstly, I've been fortunate. I find myself in a position where I can direct interesting stuff, also produce very interesting stuff. So Good News was my first production. Bhoot was my second production, and very different from all the films I have made. And I think that's a advantage of being present in an industry, getting to do your work, and fortunate that your producer believes in you and is helping you mentor talent and give opportunities to newer people. So I would just say that every director wants to be versatile. Every writer wants to be versatile. There is a time and place for everything. I'm in no rush to constantly keep changing genres. I'm slowly exploring myself. When it came to Majnu, to be really honest, I didn't overthink it and say that by the end of it, this is the messaging I want and I want this conversation to happen. To be honest, I was very sure of the three characters. I was very sure of the arcs of all the three characters. And at the end, I wanted to just bring them together and leave them and let the people decide for themselves. The one thing I was clear about is me as a writer-director have no judgment on these characters. I'm not judging any of them. For me, all three are protagonists and all three are going through their ups and downs in life. So that is that. And when it comes to the film I am filming right now, we have had to take a break because of the COVID situation. Two of my actors have tested positive. So we are just keeping it safe. I want all my unit members and everyone to be really, really safe. Hopefully soon, we will be able to resume shooting. We also want to make an announcement regarding the title of the film and about the cast of the movie. But I don't think so right now is the correct time to speak about it. And I think when the time is right, when we believe that people are going to have lesser concerns about COVID and then they'll be able to kind of take in more, that's when we'll kind of speak in more detail about all the films that we're doing.
I'm so glad that you said that because it is important to realize that we are still amidst pandemic.
Absolutely, 100%.
And, it's
that's
really
the only
important.
reason why we are not meeting in person and we are all sharing at screen.
And I'm really, really sorry, Fatima. I want to start with saying I hope you're doing well. और मैं एकदम बिल्कुल भावना और बह के I start with the thing. But I hope you're doing well.
No, I'm very good. I've recovered 98%, I must say.
देख नहीं रहा है, सब direct sunlight ले रही है अपने face पे, और कितनी अच्छी हो सकती
है. घर का खाना मिल रहा है. Anantapur is sending you. I saw those posts. I'm sure you're feeling better, and I'm glad that you are.
तुम भी भेज सकती हो. You can. I always.
I told you last time.
Appreciate food.
Welcome.
Please send. I'm unwell. मुझे gifts भेजो. मुझे पैसे भेजो, मुझे खाना भेजो.
But no, I think it's great. Thank you. And like you said, it's important to really understand what we are going through, and you've been battling it. So speedy recovery, and which you are.
Thank you so much.
Soon back in the game. And thank you, Jaideep. Thank you, Shang. Thank you, Fatima.
Thank you, Rudra. Please take care. Be safe.